Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can earn your first sale online even if you're a newbie or a beginning online business owner. So you want to pay attention to this message, especially if you are new to the online business world and you want to earn your first sale. So if this is your first time here at this video, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way we get videos just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe because I want to do videos and I want you to be the first one to go ahead and receive them when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. This is Adam Shelton, and today's content, I'm going to basically talk about how you can earn your first sale even if you're a new person or a beginning online business owner. Now, the journey of online business, running your own business, running the show, the big thing that everybody wants, most people want, they want the sales, they want the commission, they want the revenue. Now, when you first get on, if you're a new person, it is a learning curve. Trust me, when I first got on, I was stuck, confused, overwhelmed, completely wanted to throw this laptop out the door, and I actually did. I actually threw a book. When I first started out online, I took actually a personal development book right outside my window. It actually hit a neighbor's dog. It hit a neighbor's dog. It's like, I think it was like my second week in my business, and I was so frustrated and stuck because I didn't have much direction and I was new. I wasn't earning any sales. I wasn't earning any leads. I wasn't doing anything. I threw the book out the window. It hit the dog, and the dog was okay. He was crying, so I went outside, apologized to the neighbor and the dog. And that's what really basically started getting me, okay, I need to do something about this. I'm throwing books out, hitting neighbors' dogs, and I wasn't making any sales, and I was a completely new person. So I was desperate to make that first sale. And I know you're probably stuck and confused. Maybe you overwhelmed on something. Maybe you're having distraction issues. And I want to tell you this, that when you start out an online business journey, yes, you want the sales, you want the leads, you want the recognition, but it's the education that you need that's going to get you your first sale and the right system. The education from a mentorship and coaching, and education through the system that helps you get that first sale, and your personal development mindset as well. It's all connected together. Now, once I did found the right system, worked on my mindset better, and did get the right coach, that's when I started making sales. Now, if you have a system that's converting, that's the biggest thing. If you have a system basically is function around where it can get you results. It can get you the training and the mentorship. You want to follow programs and a system that you can leverage that making sales and building your business. You do want to follow that. Now, there's plenty of online business marketing systems out there that you can leverage. You can leverage anything. And this system that I'm going to basically tell you about here in a few minutes, you basically can learn the education and you can market and sell anything that you want. Because once you have the digital marketing education, once you have that, then you'll have the confidence and you'll have the skill level to be able to market anything. You can sell anything. You can actually sell, this here. You can just sell this and market it and sell it, and you can build a campaign around it. You can even market and sell a phone. Let's say you sell a phone, you need the proper education to do that, and sales and leads will come in. So my journey in the beginning, I wouldn't sell anything because I didn't get the education and I didn't have the system in place. I wasn't basically following and marketing a system that can get me results, that can get me a result, at least one result, at least one result. And so once I found that system, once I got that mentorship and coaching, that's when things start really, really happening in my business. Once I found the right system, mindset, and the coaching around it. So if you're struggling, if your mind is all messed up, if you're trying to find traction, if you've done online business before and it didn't go very well because you didn't have the right system in place, I do have a link right below this video. My #1 recommendation on starting your online business and making money online. Yes. So the stuck and the overwhelm and the frustration can end because I understand exactly what you're going through. Because when you're first starting out, you don't know what the heck you're doing. But you do need a roadmap and direction, and that's why I'm doing this video to help you. So click on the link below this video, my #1 recommendation to make money online. There's a link there. You click on there to get started. It's a short video. Go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity of the special we have with this opportunity, and it's going to teach you and help you grow to leverage a system. Finally, a system, free, revealed system to help you go ahead and profit in your online business. Now, disclaimer, I have to put that in there, results are not typical. So even though the system is free, yes, go ahead and click on there and sign up. We do have an unbelievable special going on right now where you can leverage the system and go ahead and start, your legacy building, start going ahead and basically start building an online business that you can be proud of, and your family can be there as well. Because you're building a business, the family you're gonna see your family a lot more, because I know you do. Yeah, I know you do. I know you do. You want to see your family more. You're tired of that job. Right now, you're probably tired of your job right now. Right now, you're probably tired of driving in traffic, 1 hour, 2 hours to traffic. You probably got a stack of work on your desk right now. And, you're looking around, you're like, man, I want to make my first sale in my online business. I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to basically direct you right below this video so you can get started and start having a roadmap and a training that you can go ahead and do. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the inside.